Tory.
Let's get this link here going. Boom, boom, boom.
Bro, those people are live.
Who's this? You know we're on, eh? This thing's on.
They be live.
Let's go, let's go. Let's check out the way.
Perfect, we done. Have the best time of your life.
There we go, my people. We are live on this beautiful Friday morning. Move this thing a bit back. Boom. Let's go. We live, join up. Let's send this out. We live, join up. Let's go. Looking for some crazy trades. Brandon Hall, we are live. I already see a possible trade happening literally right now as we speak. This is looking good. Let's wait. Let's go. We live, join up. Let's just post on my Instagram. What's up, Danielle? Lights out clutch. Hope you're doing well. Let me post this picture right here that we are live on the charts. Boom. Of course, we're gonna look for a good trade today to end off the week. YouTube live stream. Post this. Then say click to join. Yasin, what's going on? Chris from Cape Town, the GOAT. Yasin Sheikh. Wa alaikum salam. How you guys doing? Tap to join. There we go. Let me just whoa. Have a little sneeze over there. What's up? Lights out. Hope you're doing well, man. We're about to get into the analysis here on gold. In just a few minutes time. So then everyone just join up in the chat. Where is it? Over here. We were a bit early today as well. I said let me start the stream off early because we got in the office a bit earlier, so I said why not? You know what I'm saying? We're ready for this beautiful day on gold on Friday. Let's start off early and let's absolutely smash it. So let's go. So first of all, right, we can see these guys saying here that gold is moving crazy. 100%, bro. Gold is moving absolutely wild, bro. I won't even lie to you. It's moving like I've never seen gold move like this here in the 6 years that I've been trading. Like the stop loss, bro, is literally insanely massive. The take profits are, bro, it's honestly, it's different gravy, bro. It's different gravy. It's just moving wild. But of course, let's go. 30-minute time frame. As you know, of course, we always go to the 30-minute time frame. And we are going to go to throw in our support and our resistance, right? So you can see we, of course, just like right now, made a level of support down here, right? So I'm going to put in this level over here. Put this level over here in. Move this here. There you go. Alexander, bro, you good?
Yeah, I'm amazing, and you?
Chilling, bro. Can't complain. No, bro. Right in you.
I'm amazing. See my video went by.
I saw. It's going crazy. I like it. I love it, man. And now it's 100%, bro. 100% isn't even like normal exactly, bro. It's just different now. But that's how you have to now. Of course, you have to like adapt to the market conditions, and you have to just take it as it comes. I mean, we can't change how the market's moving. All we can do is we can change how we move. So that's the only thing we can do, bro. Gold will take out the liquidity to go up, possibly, bro. Or it could just possibly just go up straight away. Who knows? For me personally, I'm seeing it go up. I mean, of course, you do have a level of resistance here, right? And draw in this level of resistance over there. Oh wait, I didn't type it in. There we go. Resistance on top there, right? And of course, we have another level of resistance up top here as well. We can see how the market basically rejected from this area. So I want to type in, of course, resistance up top here. And then what else? Where else can you see? We have lots and lots of levels because of how the market's moving so fast. Right? It's giving us multiple levels like all the time, right? So this here is also a level of resistance. So there, right? Another level over there, and of course all-time highs. As always, you know how we do it. Put a level of resistance up top here for your all-time highs. And this here is now my levels. Let me just type it in properly here. Resistance, right? Let me just put this thing up here. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me know how are you guys feeling today for these trades, for this chart. Let me know. This is our analysis here on gold, of course. We have our levels of support, our level of resistance, all that good stuff. Can you speak with more volume, please? I got you, bro. I got you. My bad. Just about early, so I am still sleeping a little bit, but we are here. No stress, bro. No stress. Let me just put your boom. There we go. Okay, let me know now if you guys can hear me. The sound is good. The sound is okay. Perfect. No stress. What I like to hear, Mr. Shaquille Samai. The volume's okay. Perfect, bro. Which I like how I was saying, this is our analysis here for gold. We of course have levels of support, level of resistance. Now we have possible scenarios that can happen, right? For me personally, what I'm seeing is that the market is going to go up from here, from this level of support to this level of resistance over here. Have a bit of a rejection, hopefully break above, retest, and then go higher than that, right? So I'm looking for a move, something like this here, where we go higher to the upside. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for personally here on gold right now. I mean, you can see we have very nice rejections, right? Multiple rejections over and over again. If I draw it in here with a brush, right? We have rejection. So what can you expect to happen here? Rejection as well. So let's see if we scale down to the 500 time frame. Can we get a possible entry here on gold, right? Just go there, take that away, right? Can we get a possible entry on gold? The stop loss, of course, will be quite big. That's the only issue that I have once again, because it's of course a very high risk setup, right? But this is what I'm looking for, something like this, to enter somewhere around here, stop loss below these lows, take profit above there, right? And of course, we do have also the London Open coming very, very soon. So that will obviously be good if it can come out in our favor and be pushed to the upside. Akshay says, how was gold last night? Gold was crazy last night, bro. Gold was absolutely insane last night, bro. I managed to pass phase 1 of my funded account. I'll show you guys over here. We have a brand new 1 million rand account for phase 2. You can see over here, brand new 1 million rand account for phase 2 of the Comit Capital prop firm challenge. So that's obviously beautiful to have. We passed phase 1 very, very nicely. Now we're on to phase 2, as you already know. And then we go on to being a funded trader and getting a payout with Comit Capital. Exactly what the whole entire series is about. Getting a payout with Comit Capital. Showing you guys that it is legit. So that's exactly what we're going to do. But I do want to get an entry on gold for you guys. I do like how it's pushing down first to create a wick. That's the nice thing. But the thing is also there's so much of bearish momentum right now. The 1 hour candle is very bullish. 4 hour has very good rejections there. Let's wait. How long did it take you to pass phase 1? It took me about just over a week and a half. I got the account last week. Okay, yeah, I got the account last week Monday. Then I had the whole week last week. Then I passed it last night, which means it was like a week and 4 days basically. So basically 2 weeks. Just call it 2 weeks. How much would payouts be if I may ask? I'm going to aim to get like a 50k payout with Comit Capital. A 50k payout for the first payout. And then, yeah, do a nice little 50k withdrawal. There are two phases, bro. Phase 1 and then phase 2. Phase 1 you have to make 10%. And then phase 2 you have to make 6%. So that's exactly what it is, bro. I wanted to ask you, if you have a funded account, you can't withdraw more than 40%. You can't withdraw more than 80%, I think, bro. 80% is the max profit you can make, bro. So that's how it works, bro. 80% is the max profits that you can make on it. Crazy. 120k views. That's mad, I won't lie. That's the way. Mr. Alexander. Let's go. Make sure you guys leave a like on the stream, of course. 170 views right now. Welcome to you guys on this beautiful Friday morning. repeat that went into adverts. Crazy. So I was saying that there's 2 phases, right? Phase 1, you have to make 10% profit. Phase 2, you have to make 6% profit. And then you can't obviously lose more than 5% per day and 10% of the overall account. And then if you can do that there, you can pass the challenge without losing, then you become a funded trader, right? And then, yeah, you can basically trade, make your profits, withdraw, and yeah. I thought it was 85%. I'm not sure, bro. To my understanding, it is 80%. I'm not 100% sure. To my understanding, it is 80%, bro. 80%. Can you please explain the consistency rule? So the consistency rule only applies for the big accounts, right? So for the 2 mil account, the 4 million rand account, the 100k USD and the 200k USD, right? That there basically means that you have to be consistent with your profits. So you have to basically say, okay, if you're going to make 10,000 rand for this week, you have to make 2,000 rand per day. That's how you be consistent basically with your profits. You can't go and make 10k in one day and then make 50k in the next day. That's not consistent. So that's why you have to be consistent with your profits. Withdrawals depend on how you withdraw. You make in a week. Yeah, I guess so, bro. It's a 80-20 profit split. Exactly, bro. Exactly. On your 1 mil account, how many percent do you take per trade on what lot size? I take 2 trades of a 0.5 lot size. So maybe I'll enter 1 here. Then if it comes down into some loss, I'll enter 1 more down here. So I take only 2 trades, literally. I know about what Yasin Sheikh says. You have a discount code. I do, bro. It's FX Killers. One word. You're going to get 30% off, bro. 30% off with FX Killers. I know about the profit split, but when I read the rules on the 2 million, 4 million account, you can only withdraw 40% of those accounts. It's probably because, 40% of 2 million rand, bro, is just under $1 million profit. So it's a very big amount already, bro. So that's probably why. But I think with the 1 million rand account, you can withdraw up to 80% of the profits, as far as I know. I might be wrong, but as far as I know, it was that, bro. I'll send you screenshots or the withdrawal. Okay, yeah, perfect, bro. Hassan, send that thing to me, bro, and I'll check it out. I will check it out. What happens if you pass the target needed with like 100 rand or something? What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? Are you in a trade right now? No, I'm not, bro. I'm not in a trade right now. I am waiting for the market to reject off this level. You can see what I'm waiting for. Waiting for a rejection here. So I'm going to put here a call out and I'm going to say that I'm waiting for a rejection, right? So I'm going to type here, waiting for a rejection. Yo, this guy's lucky, bro. You know that client I was telling you about? His phone was just off. I thought he was going to scare me. He's lucky, bro. I was going to find him fast. Crazy. How long do the withdrawal takes? They take about a day or so, bro. We have very fast withdrawals. Yeah, Space Markets, RCG, at Common Capital, all the platforms that we have, all have fast withdrawals. Literally, bro. Yo, brother, you mainly mark the bodies on the candle close. Exactly, bro. I mainly use the body of the candles. It's a lot better than what I've seen in the last like 3 or 4 months. Use the body of the candle compared to using the actual like wick of the candle. Yes, you can use the wick, but for me personally, I've seen that the market respects the body first, then respects the wick. So just use what it respects first, literally. That the man that made me love trading is live. 100% Okutle, bro. Hope you're doing well, man. I hope you're doing well. Gab says 100k ZAR doesn't. Yeah. It's only the consistency rule only applies for the big accounts, bro. For the 2 mil, the 4 mil, the 100k USD and the 200k USD. Candle closure mainly, which is the acceptance 100%, bro. So you must have a good candle closure. That's the main thing. Yes, you can have a nice rejection wick, all that stuff, but you have to have a nice candle closure. The candle itself tells you the main story of what's happening in the markets, and we have to just read what's happening in the chart, like on the candle. So let's see. This guy says, let's say you need to make 2,000 rand to pass phase 1, but you end up making 100. That's probably fine, bro. It's probably fine. Like on my phase 1, I had to make 100,000. I ended up making 102,000. But as soon as you go over the 100,000 rand mark or the 10% profit, you then like automatically pass the account. Like you close the trade off within like the next second, you literally just get the email saying you passed. Here's your new account for phase 2. Literally. Which constant rule are you speaking of, Safwaan? The one on the big accounts, bro, where it's called the consistency rule. The consistency rule. I was the one who sent you the screenshot, brother, and thank you for the information. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. They give you a choice between 2 brokers. Yeah, so you can choose 2 different brokers. Of course, I went with Space Markets because Space Markets is the best. So on Comit Capital, when you buy in a challenge account, you have the option to choose which broker you want. Of course, I went with Space Markets, the biggest and the best. Can I trade 1 weekend? Yeah, you can, bro. You just have to trade within 30 days. So you can't be inactive on the account for a full month. If you are, then you will lose the account. So yeah, bro, that's how it works. So you can see over here still we are waiting for a rejection. You can see how important it is to actually wait for the market to reject and give us what we want. You can see if I had to enter here, we would have been in losses right now. But I knew that we have to wait for the market to give us what we want and then go in with a trade. So it's just that simple, though, just that simple. You have to just be patient in the markets, wait for your setup to come to you, and then take a trade based off of that. How much is the 100,000 Rand account with your code? It's very, very cheap, bro. 100,000 Rand account is very cheap. The 100k USD account, I think it will be a bit more expensive. But if you use code GALI70, then you get 70% off on the 100k USD account. It's like, nah, exactly, bro. It's cheap, bro. It's very, very cheap. And it's giving you opportunity to, of course, scale your capital to an insane amount. And then they just make huge profits, bro, literally. But yeah, let's go. Welcome to the 207 people in the chat. Make sure you guys leave a like on the stream. I appreciate you guys pulling through on the stream over here. We are live, guys. We are live on this beautiful Friday, bro. Wrote off the car because the VIP signals. Yup. As Alexander is singing over here. You already know. I wrote off the car because VIP signals were being sent while driving. Pure daddy, that's crazy, bro. Adam, bro, you are crazy, my bro. What do you mean you wrote off your car while taking a signal? That's crazy, bro. That's a madness. It's fine, or maybe you bought a whole new car because of the signal. What? Wait. Yo, bro, can you remove the delay on the stream? I think it's just like the normal delay, bro. Like the internet. Yeah, we don't put any delay on the stream. We have no delay with the stream. It's just like the normal internet delay. Like with every stream, you're going to have like that a few second delay. But yeah, let's chop it up exactly. Okay, so now that we have more people in the chat, we can go on to showing you guys the analysis here on gold of what we are seeing, what we are waiting for. So you guys, of course, know and say, okay, this guy, this random handsome guy is waiting for this to happen. Let's see. So of course, resistance all the way up top here, right? Resistance over here, you can see from there. We have a resistance because the market rejected from this area and from this area. So we have a level of resistance there again. Same thing over here. The market rejected over here. So there's a level of resistance. And we have a level of support down here. Right? Because you can see the market rejected multiple times from this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this is your level of support. Right? So what are we waiting for right now? You can see that first of all, since the market rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times, we're waiting for just one more rejection over here. Hopefully in the form of a bullish engulfing 5-minute candle, right? If that does happen right on the 5-minute time frame, then we can get a possible entry. You can see over here, nice rejection, big push up, but we did not enter because I knew that the market might want to be funny and come down first and then give us our entry. So we're waiting right now. If this 5-minute candle right here can close bullish, then we have a possible trade. They're saying earlier you said you take 2 positions with 0.5 lot size. What is your profit target then? Example TP2. So my profit target is just based off of my stop loss, right? So if I have a stop loss of say $15, then my take profit will also be $15 on gold. Literally, that's all it is, bro. It's just a 1:1 for TP1 and a 1:2 for TP2. Mr. 7 foot is the best in the game. You already know, bro. 7 foot, nonchalant, rich. Come on, man. Come on. Bro, how do you decide when to close if TP don't hit, I only close if TP gets hit, bro. Sometimes, yes, like if the trade is moving in my direction and I'm happy with my profits, I'll take it, bro. Because if I'm seeing that I'm up maybe say 25,000 rand, that's 25,000 rand that I didn't have before that I can have in my bank account. So let me close up. Literally, I mean, if I'm risking say 10,000 rand and I'm up 25,000, why not close? I risked 10k to make 25k. I hit my target. I close. I withdraw. Simple. I understood your feelings when you smashed 100. Bro, that's crazy, bro. I won't lie to you. Making 100k yesterday was absolutely different, bro. A different feeling. Genuinely, bro. Damn. Pretty boosting. I like it. Boosting. Flying. Flying. Taking a live trade now. We might have an entry here, guys. We might have an entry here. Let me just give it a few more seconds. A few more secondos. Of course, bro. Of course, of course, of course. Do you look at the dollar? What's up, Mazaka? How you doing, bro? How you doing, bro? Jade says, who was the winner of... I'm going to be announcing today, bro. I'm going to be announcing it today, bro. No stress, no stress. Today, bro. Today, bro. The 70% discount code ends today, bro. It ends today. So make sure that you use it, bro. Yeah. Oh, wait. Tomorrow, bro. It ends tomorrow. Not today. It ends tomorrow. So, yeah. So, this candle closure that I saw right now is not the best. I wanted it to close fully bullish and close above there, which it didn't, right? So, the reason why I'm not taking this trade is, number one, this bullish candle here did not close above this previous bearish candle. That's showing us that now, yes, the market does have bullish momentum, but it's not strong enough to have closed above this previous bearish candle wick, which is showing us that it could still have bearish momentum and it can still come down. So we have to wait now for one more 5-minute bullish candle. If it does, then we can possibly have an entry. But for right now, let's be patient. You guys know exactly how I trade. Very, very patient. We don't ever rush into the markets. We wait for the markets to come to us. So let's be patient. We have our overall analysis and our bias for the day. Let's wait and let's see if it will actually play out, guys. 250 members in the chat right now. Welcome to you guys. Make sure you guys are leaving a like on the stream, please, if you don't mind. We had 57 likes. Let's get up to at least 120 likes. Real quick. Just go over there, tap the like button real quick, and we are chilling. They're saying, imagine being with you since 2023 when you were still pushing, and mashallah, you loved it. It took life 100%, bro. All thanks to God, bro. All thanks to God. Betting with Bruce says, away from Brucey. What's up, Bruce? Hope you're doing well, bro. Hope you're doing well, man.
Bruce.
Yep.
My guy.
What up, what up?
Guy, that Bruce.
Is it?
Yeah, he bets crazy, eh? You know that.
Serious?
He bets, bro, bet way on every game.
Damn.
Basketball, everything.
And he wins.
He wins, bro.
Damn.
He's a OG.
That's the way, bro.
He's got a Telegram group for that.
Yeah, no, I've been seeing them.
Signals on
Oh, imagine a signal on a game, bro. They say, now, go and buy Madrid. Then boom, they win. You get paid out. Hello? That's crazy. That's actually a madness and a badness. Bro, please explain the account using. What do you mean, bro? I'm using a 1 million rand account with Comit Capital, bro. Comit Capital. 1 million rand account with Comit Capital. Comit Capital. Let me just see over here real quick. You see how we're pushing up nicely now? I like that. I like that. I like that. We need to close bullish over here. If we can close bullish, then we can have a possible entry over here on gold and smash it here on the Friday and end of the week on a high note. End of the week on a beautiful high note. They're saying here, does your discount code also end tomorrow? No, it doesn't, bro. My discount code's always there. FX Killers for 30% off. It's always there, bro. The sweep yesterday swept over 100%, bro. The sweep yesterday, it chowed people's accounts. I know for a fact, bro. That's why I never traded it. Because I knew that there was going to be a drop soon. And I told my VIP group, I told my free group as well, Just be careful. Just be careful. So yeah. Momo Fakir, huge fan. Keep doing what you're doing, bro. You're a goat. I love you, Momo Fakir. Love you, bro. Is that Alex? Yes, it is, bro. Yes, it is. This guy says, Comit Capital as scammers terminates your account because of news. Bro, it clearly says in the rules.
Please read your fact sheets, bro.
Yeah.
And read your rules.
It says in the rules that you can't trade news, bro. It clearly says you aren't allowed to trade news. It says there, bro. How do we get on your group? You just send me a DM, bro, on Instagram, on Telegram, whatever you want to. Send me a DM and we'll help you there, bro. Hate to say that I lost over 5k yesterday and how? That's not good. That's not good. Nzima.
Signals, Marco, you,
Yeah.
worked the whole day.
I don't think they're in the groups. That's why. Yeah. Unlucky, man. But hopefully we can recover for you now. Hopefully we can help you to recover. If this candle can close a bit more bullish, then we could have a possible trade, man. I took sells. I never caught the buy, but the sell and simply smashed 50k. Crazy, bro. 50k profit. Madness, bro. But yeah, that sell yesterday was insane. Oh, no, that sell was insane, bro. You are my last hope. I'm hoping I can be your last hope. Crazy. Everyone should not be trade. Exactly, bro. You should never trade news. You should never be trading news, bro. News is just way too high risk, bro. Honestly, just no point in trading news. In profit, bro. Took the buy at the close of the 5-minute bullish candle. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Always follow the rules. 100%, bro. Always follow the rules. Marco cooked yesterday? Of course, bro. All of us cook, bro. That's why. Oh, the 3 of us that come on the stream, bro. They made sure that we are chefs. Because they know that we have to cook for you guys. Literally. Yesterday's drop took me out and I lost 2 of my fund accounts. Unlucky, bro. Unlucky, man. Unlucky. You will come back, bro. You will come back. How much is your VIP group? It's only 300 Rand for a month. 300 Rand for a month of VIP signals. 300 Rand for a month of VIP signals. So, yeah. Do you do one-on-one mentorship? I do one-on-one mentorship. You have to just send me a DM, bro, and I'll assist you. My Instagram is FX Killers. As you see in the thumbnail, that's literally my Instagram. But let's go. 260 views right now. Welcome to the stream on this beautiful Friday morning. We are looking for trades. We are active. Let's go. We are looking to smash the charts right now. Waiting for a good entry right now and see what we can do. Fahim says, understood the rules. All firms deduct profit, not terminate account. Account was 4 hours old, trying to trade in. Never realized for. Unlucky, bro. That's just unlucky. I won't lie. But that's just how it is, bro. That's just the rules. That's the rules that they have, bro. Can you say buy in Zulu or Afrikaans? Koop. Koop means buy. And I don't know what buy is in Zulu. If anybody knows what the word buy is Zulu, then just let me know. Because I only know Afrikaans and English and Arabic. So, yeah. Also in 300 USD floating. Amazing work, bro. Amazing work. 100%, man. Can we enter? Not as yet. Not as yet. What up, my bro? Marcelino. Good morning, kings and queens. How you doing, Marcelino? The biggest in the gully. Let's see. And then they say that it was news. Yeah, because you can't enter news 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. You can't enter news. So, say for example, the news is at 3:30. You can't enter from 3:25, and you can only enter again from 3:35. So that 10-minute window, you cannot trade on a funded account with Comit Capital, bro. Tenga. So Tenga means buy. So if I see a buy signal, I'm gonna sit on my group. I'm gonna say I'm Tengaring gold now. I'm Tengaring gold. Then I'm gonna say Magayami profits. I'm gonna say Skaftin. I wanna put the profits in my Skaftin. You know. I lack discipline. Unlucky, bro. That will come over time. Yup. Already know, man. Just started about to take a first trade with you. Lovely, man. Yeah, it was an instant Mr. Unlucky, man. Unlucky, bro. Please send the signal. I will. If I do take a trade, I will send it out to the VIP signal group. Not to worry, bro. Not to worry. I will send it out. I will. I'm liking the rejection we're getting over here. I am liking it. Let's just wait for this 5-minute candle to close. If we can close nice and bullish with a good candle closure, a good body candle closure, then it's a possible trade. It's a possible buy. But let's wait. Let's be patient. You already know how we trade. Very patient. We're on the new account as well. On phase 2. Phase 2 of the Comit Capital funded account. We passed phase 1 last night. Literally at like 2:30. Sorry about that. Like 2:30 in the morning. We passed phase 1 of Comit Capital. Now we're on phase 2. We are getting closer and closer by the day to that 50k payout. Literally. Brandon Horse's Safwaan always bringing the energy and the vibes. You already know, bro. You already know. If you have good vibes, good energy, you're going to have good profits and good money. Literally. Yeah. Matt 2K says, what's your biggest win? Yesterday, bro. Yesterday was 104,000. 104k, bro. So, Okutle, if you aren't winning with code Kali70, that means you already used the code once and you can't use it again. Or you're using it on the wrong account. So it's only on the 100k USD, 200k USD, 2 million rand account and 4 million rand account. Tenga in goal, exactly, bro. Tenga in goal. I want goal to Tenga. Oh, a boy. Oh, a boy. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so it's not looking like gold wants to actually Tenga right now, because it's coming down, so that's not good. But let's wait. Marcelino says I must make a number plate called Safwaan GP. I might just.
What?
He said I'll make a plate for my car, Safwaan GP. That'll actually be hard. Wait. That'll actually be tough. Wait. What makes your entry point valid in the middle of support and resistance? I would think entry would be below support or above resistance. Forgive my ignorance. So first of all, bro, you are not ignorant at all. You are learning, bro. You asked the question in the hope to learn something. So I'm going to tell you exactly why, bro. So this strategy is called the zone to zone method, right? So what it basically says is that the market is like a house, right, with a roof and with a floor. And the market moves in between the house because the price is a ball. And the price or the ball bounces from the floor to the roof, to the floor, to the roof like this. And this is your zone to zone method, right? So what we have to obviously look for is for where the market's going to bounce up from. So that's what I was looking for right now. I was looking for where the market could possibly bounce up from, and we didn't get it. So that's why we never took a trade. You see? So this is what we call the zone to zone method. This is one of my strategies that I've made and I've come up with. So yeah, this is what I look for personally, bro. So it's not ignorance at all. It's actually very good that you asked. And yes, you can also have the, what's it called? The strategy that's called the breakout strategy, where you sell below support and buy above resistance, bro. T, bro, can I have that, what's it called? That picture. Say that I passed phase 1.
Of course.
That thingy. Nah, I just got the email yesterday, not the certificate though.
Really?
Yeah.
My gosh. Yeah, that's 57.
I just got the thing saying you pass, here's your new account. But then no email with
We'll sort it out.
thanks, bro. I'm gonna post that thing everywhere. Show the people that we're on the way to getting a payout with Comit Capital. B58 for a win, of course, bro. Why didn't you take a 2 mil account? I personally just wanted a 1 million rand account just to try it out, bro. I mean, it's my first time ever trading with a prop firm. So I said, let me try it out and let's see how it is. And then, yeah. Of course, once I pass it and I get a payout, I'm going to use that same money to buy another account and another account and more and more and more. So that's the plan, bro. That's the plan. I'm going to hopefully get a max allocation with Comit Capital and then just make like 2%, even 1% per day. And then just, be chilling, bro. Literally. The magnet. Yep, we will use the magnet soon. Soon. When we actually in a trade. Alright, bro. When we in a trade, we will use a magnet. But for now, we are chilling, man. We are chilling. Lost my 10k funded yesterday. Unlucky, bro. We go again today. And we try and make it back. I have been on phase 1 for 2 weeks. That's perfectly fine, bro. You don't have to rush into it. You can even take a month or even 2 months to pass phase 1. It doesn't matter, bro. There's no rule that says that you have to pass phase 1 in 5 days or in 10 days. No. You can take however long you want to, bro. 6,000 now. Let's go. Stylish Keys. I'm not sure if he's here. He might be here. He might be here, but he's not in the same room as me though. What's up, FP Gaming? Hope you're doing well, bro. Gold might move bearish to 5,000. Possible, bro, possible. I mean, if we break below here nicely, which we are selling off extremely hard right now. It could also just be a liquidity being taken out below these lows, right? So it could just be taken out these lows. If it does, of course, reject from here, then you could also have a possible buy as well. So let's wait and see if it does reject from here, and then take a trade from there, bro. 20k on my sell to buy. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Defentrix, amazing work. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Mohammed says, I feel like we're a whole lot who have lost on accounts. 100%. People lost lots of money yesterday on their live accounts, their funded accounts. But all you had to do was literally just be safe and just not trade yesterday. Like we saw that the market was moving absolutely wild yesterday. So all you do is you just step back. You just sit on your hands and you just don't trade. Literally, bro. 50k on my sell to buy. Lovely, man. Lovely. I hope you closed up at the bottom over here. So a very big spike down. So well done to you, bro. Well done to you. Shout out to you, Space Markets and Comit Capital. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to you, bro. Your name is Mafute. Mafutse. I hope I said that right, bro. I hope I said your name right. Yesterday I doubled my account in one trade and they banned me on QT Funded. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Where you from? I'm from Johannesburg. Johannesburg. Wow, and you wanted to buy? Yeah, I still want to buy. And the thing is that this was my analysis. I saw that we could have buys. And it didn't play out how we wanted it to play out. So we never took a trade. That's the main thing. If we took a trade and we lost, then I would have been like, nah, I was being silly. But the good thing that I waited for my setup first to occur, it never occurred, so I never took a trade. Just that simple, bro. Gold's melting, yep, it is, bro. What language do they speak there? What do you mean, bro? In Joburg, they speak English, of course. In Johannesburg, they speak English, bro. There's no way it actually broke below. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? Thinking about you and Marco training together, you guys will be unstoppable, bro. That's why we don't do it. Because we know if we do, the markets are not safe, bro. We're literally going to make 5 billion in one single trade. That's why we say no. We have to be separate. Because if we're together, it's going to go crazy. Poma 500 trillion in one trade. You're mad, bro. I wanted to buy, but I never entered. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Why not look for shorts if it broke under the support? Because for me personally, I am with gold being bullish, right? And if it's at this support, especially now, right? The sells are very short-lived. Right? Look at this, right? It sold off. What happened? It bought almost all the way back up to where the sell started off. Same thing here. It sold. It bought. It sold. Now I want a rejection to look for a buy. So yeah. I need Space Markets clothes. I'm an IB. Also invite me to the session. Just send me a DM, bro. Send me a DM. Send me a DM. Do you trade silver as well? I don't trade silver. But I can obviously analyze silver because it's the exact same strategy that I use on all my pairs. So let's go and check out silver over here. Let's see. Where's silver? Where's silver? Where's silver? There we go. XAG USD. Let's see. Let's see. Just delete all of this here. Trump is speaking crazy, bro. Please do an analysis of BTC USD. I will, bro. I will. You said, bro, 508 now. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean, man? The gen that trades live on these streams are built different. Marco showed us he's holding 1 million. Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. We're all different here, bro. That's why the team at Comit Capital, at Space Markets, they specifically chose us because they knew, these brews, they're killing the charts. Exactly. It wasn't just like a random thing to say, nah, you guys just go and stream. Nah.
I went into his entire track record.
Exactly. We saw the track records of all of us. We saw how the signal groups run. All that stuff, bro.
Time for guys that don't have anything to prove the money.
Exactly. Like, you can't be posting that you're making 100k, but then you still busy taking a normal Uber. At least take Uber Black, at least. Or at least have your own car. You can't be posting, bomba 100k from my robot. Now you moving around in a small little, let me rather be quiet.
Subscribe to my robot.
Let me rather be quiet before I cause problems. But like, it must match up with the lifestyle. Like, you get me? If you're saying, okay, I'm making 10k, 20k a day, it must match up to your lifestyle. Like, you must see, okay, this guy has his own car, he has his own house, he has this, he has that. It matches up to your lifestyle. You can't be posting this here saying, nah, I made 200k in the day from my robot. Like, I have no car though, I have no house, I'm just chilling here. Like, bro, it makes no sense. It makes no sense at all. So yeah. Bro, what is SO compensation? That means if you blow your account, then the broker will just like compensate the amount to make it back to zero. So instead of your account being in a negative, then they just basically put it to zero. So if you say you blew your account, the market moved too fast, and you now say you have minus 500 Rand in the account, instead of you taking 500 Rand and paying the broker back, they just say zero. So they add 500 Rand to your account and make it zero. At least take Uber Black. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Looks like it's rejecting. Possibly, bro. Possibly. How do I learn your zone to zone strategy? Just send me a DM. Just send me a DM on Instagram or on Telegram. And yeah, I will help you, bro. But gold is at a level of support right now. Silver is at a level of support. You can see over here. Nice level of support over there. It's at the support right now. The same thing with gold as well. Gold and silver move very, very similar. And you can see gold also rejecting right now quite nicely, right? Gold is also rejecting now quite nicely. But of course, we needed to close above this level of support over here, because now it's all the way down here. It just took out these lows. So we have to wait for it to reject first. So the guy behind you sweeping the windows like the institution sweeping those accounts. Crazy, bro. People don't understand that not taking trades is also part of trading. My man, you are a genius. Genuinely. You're the first person in the stream to ever say that, bro. That taking no trades is just as important as taking a trade. Literally. Because the fact that you can sit here, have money in your trading account, and choose not to press buy or press sell, that obviously means that you have very good discipline, right? Because if I had no discipline, I would have bought over here. I would have gone full margin. I would have blown my account same time. But I knew that I have to wait for my proper setup to form first and then take it, bro. 15 minutes is rejected on gold. Yeah, I am seeing that. We are back on gold, so I am seeing that, yes. What does one need to get your trading bot? I don't have a trading bot, bro. I don't have a trading bot. Are we getting a signal for XAG USD? Possibly, bro. Either gold or silver. We're waiting to see, bro. What's up, Limbada Farms? How you doing, bro? Walaikum salam. Hope you're doing well, bro. Let me just type here. These guys want to know my Instagram, bro. You know, every stream, I have at least 10 people asking me, what's your Instagram? There it is. Right, my Instagram is over here. You can see over here for the person that asked. Felix Basie. He says, what's your Instagram account detail? You can see over here. FX Killers. It's the one with the blue tick. Of course, we are verified blue tick. On the way to 11,000 followers, actually. Crazy work. I've been waiting 4 days for my 28k payout from Comit Capital. These guys not responding to my correspondence. Okay, I will assist you. Just send me a DM and we will assist you with that. Leanne, just send me a DM and we will assist you with that payout, and you can see what they are saying. Not trading is not inactivity, it's an act of discipline. 100%, bro. If you're able to sit here and analyze and see a setup and not take it because you aren't happy with it, that means you have discipline, literally. Someone told me one time the profit split is 80%, the time split, 80% waiting, 15% buy, 100%, bro. It's literally like 95% waiting, bro. 95% waiting on when your trade's gonna actually like play out, and then the last 5% is just actually executing your trade, literally. Let's go. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. We're almost at 100 likes, so thank you guys for that. Let's get that last push to 100 like-arinos. Let's go. I've been struggling with finding a strategy to trade with. I've been going from strategy. I say just pick one strategy, bro. So find a trader that you like, or find a mentor that you like, and literally just, get his mentorship, get his course, whatever it is, or even just join his group and just learn, bro. Even like from me, You can learn from these live streams, bro. Exactly what I do. I mean, I've been streaming now for almost 3 months, and I haven't lost a single trade on stream. We've literally only won trades. Every single time I stream and I've taken a trade, I've only won. Alhamdulillah for that, of course. Shukr. But that obviously means that my strategy is working very well. So, yeah. Who's on at 4 p.m.? It'll be Marco. Marco will be on at 4 p.m., bro. I just bought. Let's see. This community is something else, 100%, bro. We are building the biggest trading community in SA. Here on the stream, and for me personally as well. In my VIP signal group, we have 705 members. 700 members in a VIP group. We're building a crazy community. And I love it. I'm loving it. Let's see. I just have to accept that I lost 100%, bro. You have to just accept that you made a loss and come back stronger. I mean, the saying goes, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Really. I know that because I read books. I read a crazy amount of books. I'm actually reading this brand new book that I picked up yesterday. The Psychology of Money. That's the book that I'm actually currently reading. So, yeah. I'm obviously trying to change my psychology when it comes to money. I mean, when you make a big amount of money, your whole entire life changes, right? And just because your life changes, that obviously requires you to also change how you think about money, how you act with money, how you spend money, all that kind of stuff. And the only way I can think of learning it is by reading a book. So that's why I went yesterday and I bought a book called Psychology of Money, because now I want to grow my wealth, basically. So I need to learn from someone that's done it already, basically. And there's a guy that wrote the book, so I would trust him. Let's see, Limbara says, I have 2 courses from 2 goated traders. One is ICT and the one is SMC, but explained better, so I'm stuck between those 2. Just choose one and stick with it, bro. Choose one and stick with it, bro, literally. Gold changed lives this January, 100%, bro. Gold changed my life this January, and my life was already changed from before that. So you can imagine, bro, for someone that came into trading and made big money, their life changed for 100%, bro. Changed like crazy. Does the consistency rule work per week? For example, you said we can take... I'm not 100% sure, bro. I'm not 100% sure because I don't use the consistency rule on the 1 million Rand account, so I'm not too sure, bro. But just DM the support and they'll assist you, bro. FX Killers has the best strategy. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Mohammed Naeem Mia. Irshado in the chat. Irshad has worry. Irshad has worry. You can't lose without winning. Exactly. That is actually my first ever quote. My first ever quote was, you can't lose without winning. I was in university. I was in Wits. And we were making a video for my Instagram. And I don't know where the thought came from. I said, nah, you cannot lose without winning. And that clip went viral. So, here we are. 3 years down the line, you can't lose without winning, bro. That is true. On a Sunday, Safwaan was indeed... Exactly, Muaz Leher literally knows. I was reading a book. And then I got inspiration. And I went to go buy a book yesterday. From the bookstore. Literally. And I found a book, actually, that's called The Best Trader in the World. And I took a picture with it. Let me show you this picture. Let me show you this picture right here. Just wait. This is actually crazy. Let me show you this picture. Let me make this camera bigger for you guys. Right? The camera bigger, but look at this. Okay, I know my eyes are closed, but look at this. I'm literally in the bookstore holding the book that says, I am a good trader. How is that? How is your heart for that? Actually, how is your heart for that one? Let me just get back this chat over here. There we go. Psychology of Money is a very nice book. 100%, bro. 100%, man. Will you let us know when? Yes, I will, bro. We are waiting right now. We are currently waiting right now for the setup to actually occur. We are waiting. We are being patient. So you only trade... Exactly. So I literally only trade support and resistance. Nothing else. Nothing else. Can someone recommend a good mentor for ICT? I'm not sure. I don't trade that. I trade support and resistance. So I am not too sure about that, bro. How would you suggest growing a 20k account? I would suggest by 20% a month. 20% profit per month is a good target, bro. 20% profit per month on a 20k account is decent, bro. 700 subscribers generally adds up. Hopefully, bro. You can't win without losing. Nah, you can't lose without winning. That's the way, bro. How does it have to close at the support? Well, we want it to close above the support, bro. Above the support, because you can see this might be a breakout retest for a possible sell. So there could be a sell coming soon as well. If it possibly, like this here, breakout, retest, and sell, it could be possible, bro. It could be possible. What are you guys saying here? Is it at 5120? Yeah, 5120 is my support level. How are you, gents? Who's on at 4 p.m.? 4 p.m. will be Marco, bro. Marco will be on at 4 p.m. Marco. Patience pays, exactly, bro. Exactly. Exactly, bro. Let's see what I'm saying here. 15-minute rejected. Yes. We are waiting, guys. We are waiting for the setup. We have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient. You guys know exactly how I trade. Always patient. You guys can't just rush into a trade without, you know, proper confluences, proper, what's it called? Proper analysis, first of all. So, yeah. Let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient, yeah? Let's be patient. Let's wait for the setup to occur and then have a possible trade. When did you start trading and how long did it take you to master? I started trading 6 years ago and I mastered my strategy about 3 years ago, bro. 3 years ago. How much is your mentorship? Is 2,500 Rand once off. 2,500 Rand once off. Okay, so gold is just flying up right now, right? Gold is just flying up right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a buy on gold, right? So I'm going to enter a buy on gold, right? It's a very high risk setup. I'm in buys right now. I am in buys. I have entered buys on gold. I have entered buys on gold right over there. Stop loss is quite big. I won't lie to you. The SL is quite big. Damn, bro. This stop loss is extremely big. This stop loss is mad big, bro. But there's really nothing I can do about it. This stop loss is extremely... So just a disclaimer, guys. This stop loss is very, very big. Right? This SL that I have is extremely big. But there's nothing I can do about it. Because just how the markets are moving, literally. This stop loss is quite big right now. But I have entered buys. It's a very high risk setup. My stop loss is below here at 4090. Right? 4090 is my stop loss. 090. Right? My entry level is at 25. Right? So yes, you can see the stop loss is quite big. But that's how it has to be. If you don't want to take the trade, just don't take it. For me personally, I'm willing to risk on this trade. So I've taken it. It's a very, very, very high risk setup. Very high risk setup. The market is extremely volatile. So please be careful. If you are taking this trade, use very good risk management. So yeah. And for all my VIP members, I am not setting the signal out. The stop loss is way too big. The SL is way too big. I won't lie to you. I'm just taking this high risk setup because I can. But I'm not taking this trade with the VIP signal. It's way too big, the stop loss. I mean, literally 1 5-minute candle, bro. And it's a $30 stop loss. Insane, 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 insane. I'm not going to give out the signal to the VIP group. Not sharing the signal here. SL is way too big. Right? So, this is a personal trade I'm taking. If you want to follow along, you can follow along. But the stop loss is extremely big. I won't lie to you. That's why I'm not going to send it out as a signal. I'm just going to take a buy and hold it and see how it pays. If it pays, it pays. If not, it just won't pay. Simple. So yeah, very, very high risk setup. Please do use very good risk management if you are taking this trade. It's a very high risk setup. Extremely high risk setup. So I'm going to type here, right? Very high risk. Use good risk management. Right? So you can see it's a very, very high risk setup. I'm using very, very good risk management. I have my SL in place. I have my take profits in place. It's just, yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see if we can win this trade here or not. Let's see. How many months how many months one can comprehend your strategy? Just depends, bro. Really. I mean, some people master the strategy in like 2 or 3 months. Some people master it in 2 weeks. Just depends, bro. Just depends, really. Just depends. Honestly, just depends on the person. Anyone know the reason for the massive drop on gold? No idea, bro. No idea why it dropped so hard. No idea. On a 20k account, what's the lot sizes? I would say 0.01, bro. So if your SL is this big, my TP, exactly. So if my SL is this big, my take profit is the exact same. My take profit is the exact same, bro. Literally. If my SL is this big, my take profit is the exact same. It's just that big as well. That's all that is, bro. If my SL is so big, my TP is the exact same. It's also that big. Literally. But yeah, let's see if we can go up here on gold. Hopefully we can. It's a decent looking setup. Let's see if we can go up here on gold. The stop loss is down here, bro, at 4090. Like I said, it's a very high risk setup. I'm going to bring this words over here so you guys can see. Very, very high risk setup. If we do lose, we do lose. If we win, we win. Right? Very high risk setup. Please do be careful with it. We are in a bit of loss right now. Let's see if gold can reject and go up from here. Let's see. Can gold go up from here and give us a nice take profit? Let's see. We're in some loss right now. Let's see how it goes. I will... What? I don't know what to say, bro. Why are you buying at support? I'm waiting for it to break above first. Because it's formed support down here, bro. It formed the support down here. This support here, I can move it away because it forms support down there. So that's what I'm basing this trade off of. It forms support down here. So I was taking a trade based off of that support down there instead. So yeah. So that's not a very good 5-minute candle closure. Not the best 5-minute candle closure over there. But I'm going to continue to hold. It's not the best 5-minute candle closure. But I'm still holding. Guys. Let's see. Can gold reject from here and go up? Let's see. The take profit is up top here. I'm targeting here 5230. 5230. 5230. So you can see I'm down about 6,000 Rand on the account. 7,000. 6,000. I'm down about 5,000 now. So yeah, that's what we are doing right now. I'm holding for my trade. I do still see the market going up from here. So let's wait and let's see if we can get a take profit here or what are we going to get. Let's wait and let's see. Let me just change this here. The color of this, I'm going to change it, bro. I want to change the color of this, man, to make it a bit see-through. There we go. Right. So there we go, guys. There we go. 5145 market will reject from there. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Price action is a mess since yesterday. Exactly. That's why also I have taken my risk down. I've only taken one trade now. I only took one trade. I haven't taken more trades. I've only taken one 0.5 trade. Normally I take two. Now I say let me only take one. So just using a bit of a higher risk management strategy instead. Because of course we don't want to risk so much. So just put your lot size down. That's all it is. Literally. If this gold trade wins, it wins. If it loses, it loses. We say Bismillah. We leave it in the hands of Allah, of God. If God wants us to make profit, we'll make profit. If He wants us to lose, we lose. Just that simple. Just that simple. Let's see. Put the magnet. I'm not sure if the magnet will work, but let's try. Put the magnet up top here. Come on, gold. Put the magnet. Let's put the rocket as well. As we always do, put the magnet, put the rocket. Make it a bit smaller. There we go. Magnet plus rocket. This has to work. Come on. Come on, gold. Push up now. Push up now. What percentage do you risk per trade in the prop firm? I risk between like 1 to 2%, bro. So right now I'm risking 2% on the trade. I'm risking 2% on the phase 2 account. So yeah, risking 2% on the account right now. Just see if we can push out from here. If we stop loss, we stop loss. If we take profit, we take profit. You can see we're pushing down now. Not the best, not the best, not the best. Let's see. Will it reject from here though? Can it reject from here? Let's see. Come on, gold. Push up for us. Push up for us here. Push up for us here, gold. plan a re-entry for sell from there. Possible, bro. Possible. I mean, let's see. Come on, Goldie. Pay us, man. Pay us. We haven't lost a single trade on the stream as yet. Hopefully, we don't lose this trade. If we do, it's perfectly fine. Losses are always part of trading, and it's proper risk management applied. So we are happy with it, bro. Trust the magnet. Exactly, bro. Trust the magnet, man. Trust the magnet. Damn, I entered a sell before I join your live. If it goes, it goes. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Let's see who comes out on top. The buyers or the sellers. We have also 2 minutes left for the 1 hour candle closure. It's a decent looking rejection, I won't lie. The only thing I don't like about this market conditions is the stop losses, bro. The SLs are so huge because 1 5-minute candle closure is like $25. It's insane. It's insane. I've never seen the market behave like this before. And I hope it stops because, wow, it's actually crazy. I won't lie to you. It's actually crazy, the market conditions right now. It's madness. It's madness. It's a madness and a badness. But let's see. We're currently about 14k down. Well, 13k down right now. You can see over there. 13k down. 12, 11k. 10k down. 9k down. So let's see. Can gold give us the push that we want? Can it give us the push to the upside that we want? Let us see. Hopefully it can give us a nice push up here at 11 o'clock at the hourly candle closure. Let's see. Inshallah, gold can push to the upside and give us a take profit. Ameen. Come on. Only down now 5k. It's a nice push up. It's a nice rejection right there. That's a nice rejection. I won't lie to you. That's a nice rejection, gold. Come on now. Push up for us, gold. It looks like the rocket has worked. The rocket has worked. The take profit is all the way up top here, bro. The take profit is up top here at 5230. 5230. So that's a nice candle closure we have over there. Let's see if gold can push up now from here. It's back at the entry level right now. We are back at the entry level on gold. You can see we're back at entry on gold. We're back at the entry level on gold. Very good, very nice. So there's an option here if you do want to close up at entry. If you don't want to risk your account, don't want to risk your money, you can close up at entry right now. We're only down about 200 pips or so. So that's also an option. For me personally, I'm going to continue to hold. I like the rejections we got in the 1 hour, on the 30 minute, on the 15 minute. Very good rejections, right? So I'm going to continue to hold. If we can break above this high over here, then we should push up. If we can break above this high over here, we should push up. Right, so let's see if gold can give us what we want. Inshallah. Right, let's see. So we're literally at the end right now. We're only down 100 pips. Well, $1 on gold. So that's nice, of course. I'm trusting the strategy. Let's go. Well done if you entered down here as well. Well done if you entered more trades down here. You are floating deep if you entered down here. Well done. Let's see what they say over here. It can still work. I've never seen your trade hit SL before flying. That's what I'm saying, bro. The haters are quiet now, lol. Man even told us never lose on the stream. Yeah, bro. We haven't lost a single trade on the stream, and hopefully we don't lose this trade. I want to continue the winning streak. But hopefully we can push up here. Hopefully we can push up here. We are seeing lots of bullish momentum in the markets right now. So let's see, inshallah, we will push up here. Let's go, Brandon Hall, let's go. Let me know if you guys are in the trade with me here. To the 235 people in the chat, let me know, are you guys in this trade with me? And how is it looking so far? Let me know. Are you guys in this trade here with me, guys? Let me know. Sham says I'm in. Sifiso says I'm also in. Let's see, guys, how it goes. Let's see. Come on, gold. Brandon Hall says, of course, I'm in. I'm also in the trade. I'm with you, Mohammed Hassan. Lovely, guys. Let's see. We just needed a little push up here from gold to go into profits. You should do a live stream when the market opens at night. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Muzaffar says, I'm in. Kwake, I'm in. I'm also in. Lovely, guys. Let's see how it goes. We're only down right now 1,700 Rand. 900 Rand right now. We're basically at entry. We're basically at the entry level. Let's go into some profit right now. Come on, gold. Give us some blues, man. Give us some profits. Come on. Give us some big blues. There we go. In profit right now. We up around 200 pips, you can see. In some profits right now. Let's go. 3k up. Let's go. 3.5k up. 3.6. 4k. We are up right now. 500 pips. 600 pips. Let's go, guys. We're in some profit right now. We are in some profits right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We also broke above this high, which I like. We broke above the high over there, which is good. Let's see. Can we go further up? Can we go further up? 1.8k up. Lovely, bro. Profits. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This trade can pay big. Exactly, bro. This trade can pay very big. If you can just respect this setup, this trade can pay very, very big. Hopefully, it can respect it, inshallah. And it can push up. Let's see. We're back in a bit of loss right now. Let's see. Can we still push up here? I don't like the fact that it rejected after breaking that high. I don't like that. So let's see how we're going to actually manage this trade. Will we close up early or will we not close up early? Let's see. For me personally, this 5-minute candle closure is decent. We have to push up a bit higher for me to hold. If you guys see on the 5-minute time frame, what I'm saying is, you see how it closed. Well, it didn't close yet, but it had a nice, okay, now it's rejecting a bit, but it was up there, right? It had a nice push to the upside. So we needed to stay above there. If it stayed above there, we could have held. But now it's rejected quite hard. It's pushing down quite fast right now, which is not what we wanted, right? We wanted it to push up. We needed it to push up there. So let's see. Come on, gold, push up for us. Push up for us, gold. Let's go, gold. Do you think gold will cover the gap over the weekend? I'm not too sure, bro. I'm not too sure. I don't trade gaps, so I'm not too sure on the gaps on gold. Not 100% sure. But let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Come on, gold. Push up for us. It's not looking the best right now. It's not looking the best. We went into a bit of profits, about 600 pips of profit, and then it just came crashing down for some odd reason. But that's fine though. Let's see if we can hold up this level of support. Can it hold up this level of support or not? We're currently down 20k. Currently down right now. This has the makings of a good, exactly, but it does look like a decent trade. It just needs to respect the setup. It just needs to respect it and go up. If it can respect it, it will be a good trade. If not, it's just one of those things, bro. It's just one of those things. But come on, gold. Reject right now and go up for us. Reject right now and go up for us. Come on. Push up. Push up. Push up. Come on. Mazda says I bought at 5106. That's not a bad entry, bro. That's a good entry, actually. That's a very good entry. Well done to you, bro. Well done to you. But yeah, we're going to stay on the stream until we either go into profits or we hit stop loss. We're going to hold. I'm going to stay on the stream until we either hit stop loss or we go into profits. Literally. I don't mind staying on the stream longer so that we can see if we hit take profit or if we hit stop loss. Let's see, guys. Let's see. It's not looking the best right now. We are in about 20k of loss, you can see. We're in about 20k of loss. 21k, 22k. Come on, go reject right now. Okay, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. We might hit stop loss here. We might hit stop loss. Come on, gold. Push up now. Push up now. 26k down. Okay, I hit stop loss. I am out of the trade, guys. Stop loss was hit. You can see over here. We have taken a loss. I'm going to write it over here. Management. Loss taken, guys. So we've taken the loss right now on gold. Very unfortunate. We had a decent push to the upside, about 600 pips up. Then we came down and hit stop loss. Unfortunate, but it does happen. It's all good though. We will look for a recovery trade a bit later. But yeah, stop loss has been hit, guys. Stop loss has been hit. I've lost about 26k or so. I've lost about 26k on that trade. Full transparency for you guys. Show you guys my losses. Show you guys my win. Okay, 28k actually. Let's see over here. Right. So we've lost about 28,000 rand on the trade. You can see over there just for the proof for you guys. It did go into like 600 pips profit. Exactly, bro. It did go into some decent profit, and then it just came crashing down for some reason. But yeah, that's the first loss we've taken on the stream in 3 months. Crazy work, crazy work. But it happens though. Unfortunate. It happens. At least we know that we applied good risk management to the trade. So yeah. Re-entry? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so, bro. I'm not liking how it's just pushing down. If you look at the higher time frame, it's just absolutely flying down. Even though we had like good rejections. You can see good rejections there. It still flew all the way down. So I would say rather stay out of the market for now. Like it's not looking the best. So I would say stay out of the markets for now because it's not looking the best. Yeah, this was my first trade on phase 2. It was my first trade on my phase 2 and I took a loss. I've lost about 2.8%. 2.8% loss. I know we'll recover. The strategy, it works. Gold is just drunk. Exactly, bro. Gold is tanking and will most likely keep on tanking. Possibly, bro. Possibly. Very, very possible. It's very, very possible, dude. I won't lie to you. It's very, very possible. Losses are part of the game. Exactly, bro. Just lost 700. Okay. Crazy work, bro. Crazy work. Who's in at 4 p.m.? 4 p.m. will be Marco, bro. Marco will be on at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Don't forget, guys, to leave a like on the stream. We're about to end off the stream. I told you guys I was going to stay with you guys until we hit either take profit or stop loss. And unfortunately, the market decided that we want to hit stop loss. So we'll take the loss. So yeah. Don't forget to leave a like on the stream. 116 likes, 210 viewers. Thank you guys for all the support. But yeah, I brought my SL to break even in profits. Amazing, bro. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, we had a nice push up there. Then the rejection just killed us. That rejection there just killed us, bro. Did you catch the sell-off yesterday? No, I never, bro. I caught the buys, bro. I caught the buys. I caught the buys yesterday. Where do you think it will bounce up from? It's difficult to tell, bro. It's difficult to tell where the markets are going to bounce up from, bro. I'm ignoring the market until 4 p.m. Go for it, bro. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. But yeah, my beautiful people, with that being said, I will see you guys on Monday morning again. I'll be live on Monday morning with the London session again, Monday morning, 10 a.m. And yeah, 4 p.m. today is going to be Marco. So, of course, tune in for that. He's going to give you guys some banger trades, some banger knowledge. So join that, guys. But yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys on Monday, guys. Monday, I will be back 100% for Mr. Com47. I will be back on Monday 100%. But yeah, I will see you guys then. Peace out. Boom.